We are pleased to show you the 2019 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.